Hey, I'm Alex and I'm going to show you guys how to recreate this look. First, you're going to need some neutral shades like this. I'm going to use a dark red and a warm brown. Apply the dark red in the outer corner and use the warm brown to blend. Using a thin concealer brush and concealer, carve out your crease. Blend where necessary. To apply the glitter, you're going to want to wet your brush with some setting spray and dip the brush inside the glitter. Apply the glitter wherever you have the concealer. With a clean brush, remove the glitter where you don't want it. Remove the excess glitter and repeat on the other eye. Make sure to put eyeshadow under your eyes as well. Clean up, add some lashes, and you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like if you like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!